Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish called Turuchas. Or stewed eggs and tomatoes. That's right. It's the soul of a rustic Kapampangan breakfast. A timeless dish that transforms humble garden staples into a comforting masterpiece. Is that so? Whether served as a vibrant side to fried fish and grilled meats, or as a savory main over warm rice, it celebrates the synergy of sun-ripe tomatoes, slow sauté into a jam-like base, and marbled with whisked eggs. So folks, if you want to learn how to make this comforting masterpiece of a dish, well, stick around and I'll show you how to make them. So let's get started. Alright folks, for our ingredients, we got ourselves some chopped garlic, some chopped tomatoes. It's about 3 small tomatoes that we have here, salt and pepper, and also to give us that savory umami flavor, we'll use some MSG. We'll use some oil, and what we have here for our main ingredient would be 5 small beaten eggs. So let's do this. Alright folks, let's get started here. Got a temperature set to medium-high heat. Pan is hot. Let's put some frying olive oil here. Now I would be a bit generous with this one because just the way how the dish is made. Plus, it's olive oil anyway. May not be extra virgin, but it's good for you. Start sauteing our garlic here. Let's get it browned a bit. All right. Then we add our tomatoes. Season that up with some salt and pepper. Okay. 3 pinches. We're gonna wait until our tomatoes are all wilted up, softened up, releases all the flavors. Then we'll add our egg. Folks, the important thing for making this dish is the temperature. To start off with, we have medium-high heat, okay? Just to saute, and then we'll actually turn that low, maybe turn that off once we pour the egg. The consistency is the key for this dish, or to this dish. The egg should be close to running. But you'll see what I'm talking about once we get there, okay? In the meantime, let's focus on getting our tomatoes done. I think this dish has a history from the shakshuka they have in Israel. Using the same thing, but they put ground meat in them. Who knows? But anyway. Alright. I'm gonna get our tomatoes to be all tendered up without those lumps, which makes the perfect tortillas. I remember back in the day, we used to eat this, me and my friends eat this after having a long drinking session and got nothing to eat. This will do actually. Good eating by itself and some white rice. or paired with your fried dishes, like fried fish especially. All right. You want to extract all that tomato flavor. See, I have my pan, I'm holding up my pan just above the heating element so I don't burn my garlic. All right? Or you can lower the temperature. Either way, whatever works for you. All right, we want to get our tomatoes to mushy consistency. And I think we achieved that here now. We've achieved that already. All right. I'm telling you folks, this is a delicious dish. Side dish and a dish in itself. Boy, really good. My kids love this growing up. It's one of their favorites actually. So once that's done, we got that consistency that we're going for. Put your temperature, set your temperature to low, or you can actually turn it off if your pan is too hot already. All right, now for the egg. The beaten eggs that we have here has been seasoned with salt and pepper, and some MSG already. That don't mean I don't want to add more. All right, another pinch there, and just another pinch there. Wow. All right, so slowly we pull from the outside to the end. All right. See, I'm taking off my my pan from the heating element because I don't want to overcook my egg as far as the consistency. Okay, you have to temper the egg. This is what we're going for here. See right there? That's what we're going for. All right. From the outside, pull them in. Outside, pull them in. All right. There you have it, folks. At this point, I can turn off my stove. All right, there's your torchas or turuchas, whatever you call it in English. I don't know. Make something up. And thank you for watching. And until we cook again.